Veneers. What are the types of veneers is what that we looked in our previous video. We're going to look at cost of veneers. How much do veneers cost? This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja and Amalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe to our channel. We've got a whole bunch of videos coming out in the next 1 year. So cost of veneers. So in our last video we looked at how do we differentiate between the different types of veneers. We looked at what are partial veneers, what are full veneers. We looked at what are direct veneers, indirect veneers, the material used, composites and ceramics. So what are the different types of veneers is what that we looked in our previous video. So now the cost will depend on, again, the material that we use and also how are we going to place the veneers onto the patient's mouth, and whether we use any digital technology to make those veneers. So if you use a typical composite veneers, which are tooth colored material used to restore either portion of the tooth structure or the full tooth structure, typically the cost can vary anywhere from rupees 2000 rupees to up to rupees 3500 or 4000 rupees. The difference in cost being whether it's going to be like either a partially do like a partial restoration or a partial veneer or a full veneer. So these are typically the cost per per veneer. When it comes to ceramic, we were discussing about the different kinds of ceramic, whether we'll usually make an impression material, capture the impression of the patient's tooth and then send it to the lab to make a veneer. Those veneers can anywhere typically range from rupees 10,000 to rupees 16 to 20,000 rupees based on the type of material that we use. So when you use a digital technology like CEREC, where we don't use any conventional impression material, we use digitally scan the tooth, and once we digitally scan the tooth, we digitally design and then make the veneers. Cost per veneers can anywhere approximate cost will be around 13,500 or 16,000, but there are lesser economical options starting at 11,500 also, and this will be the typical cost from anywhere from 13,500 to 16,000 to 18,000. Because there are various types of materials with which we can use digital technology to mill the veneers and then bond the veneers to the patient's tooth. So based on the difference in the material that is being used and the different requirement which the patient has, what is the amount of smile correction that the patient requires, the individual material will differ and accordingly the cost will also differ. I hope this question of cost for veneers has been answered. If there are any other questions you have, please do ask in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. This is Dr. Arun. Until next time, from Pearls Dentistry, bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.